Hi everyone, welcome back to Vlogging Desi. Hope you all are doing very well and staying safe at home. In today's video, we will see a homemade turmeric tea which will boost your immunity and which will help us fight all the pains, and also it will help us to stay safe from all the infections. So here these are the benefits of the turmeric tea. For making this tea, we just need to boil a glass of water and let it come to a boil, and then we will add a pinch of turmeric, very little, and then we will give it a little stir, and then we will add pinch of cinnamon. If you don't have grounded cinnamon, then you can just take a cinnamon stick and add it over here while boiling. Here I'm using the ground cinnamon, so I'm just adding a pinch of it, and then we will give it a good boil. This tea is very effective for all the body pains and also the cramps which we get. So if you take this tea on regular basis, you will feel a lot of difference. Just bring this to a boil while stirring it very well, and then once it is boiled, let it cool down after turning off the gas. We have to drink this turmeric tea by sipping as tea or coffee. So once it is ready, we will just strain it. Now we will add two more ingredients in this, that's lemon juice for taste, but lemon juice also helps us for many other things, and honey also for taste. And we will mix it well, and after mixing it, you can have this on empty stomach before breakfast every day, and you will see difference very soon if you take this regularly before breakfast for at least 15 to 20 days. The body pains, the infections, it will keep you away from everything, and also it will boost your immunity. Cinnamon has these qualities and it's very good for health. Also the honey and the lemon also gives so many benefits to our body. It detoxifies our body, it keeps us free from all the toxins, it also clears the skin from acne, increases immunity, reduces the throat and cough infection, and gives us energy to stay active whole day. I hope you all like this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also let me know your views in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.